Now I am solving the same example, find the current I through 28 ohm resistor, but using some different method in which I will assume current through any one of this branch. Suppose I assume the current through this branch, 4 ohm branch. Then if we take into consideration KCL, then we know the total sum or algebraic sum of all the currents coming inside or out, going outside of the node is always equal to 0 as per Kirchhoff's current law. So that this 10 ampere is incoming, so the current through resistor of 4 ohm will be what? This 10 ampere. If I consider this node, this is 4 ohms, 10 amperes, and this is I. Then this current will be I minus 10. Just check, sum of incoming must be equal to sum of outgoing. So 10 plus I minus 10 will be equal to I. So it is right. So I can write it as I minus 10. And this I is coming here, incoming, and 5 ampere going outside. So the current through 8 ohm is nothing but I minus 5. Just again check, current incoming is equal to sum of current outgoing. That is I minus 5 plus 5 is equal to I. So it is also verified. So I can write current through 8 ohm is nothing but I minus 5. Now what I will do, I will write the equation for this outer loop. Equation for this outer loop, this loop. Now just check, 4 I minus 10, current is in the same direction as resistor, 4 I minus 10 plus 28 I plus 8 I minus 5 equal to 0. If current in any of these branches is in opposite sign, then we must write it as negative term. But here the current is flowing in same direction, from this direction, this and this. So positive sign. Now 4I minus 40 plus 20I plus 8I minus 40 equals to 0. This minus 40 becomes 80 here, and 4 plus 20 plus 8 is nothing but 40I. So I is equal to 2 ampere. This method is useful in many examples, some advanced level examples where there is nothing is known, that is voltage source or current sources, or sometimes resistors values are also not known. Then that time this method is very useful. Outer loop we have to take, identify and write equation. This is not like super mesh or super node method, but it is very important method.